Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about this settings which you have to turn on for faster internet and better calls. For example, if you want to use a faster internet on your iPhone iOS 26 and also you want to get the better calls on your iPhone, then you have to simply turn on these settings or so that you can enjoy the faster internet on iPhone. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. For this, you have to simply, first of all, restart your Wi-Fi router. If you are using Wi-Fi and if you are using internet data connection, then you have to simply, first of all, turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings here. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, if you, for example, if you are using the cellular connection, then you have to simply go to mobile services, and after that you have to simply turn on the 5G or better 5G option on your iPhone iOS 26. For this, you have to simply go to mobile service and turn on the mobile services, and after that you have to simply select it the auto 5G, and after that you can also select the option of get more from 5G. Moreover, the next thing you can do is you can simply turn off the low data mode in the mobile services if you are using, and after that you will be able to use the mobile faster internet on your mobile services. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have a battery above than 20%, because it will make your internet work faster, and your low data mode will be turned off if you have already turned off. And the next settings are for the Wi-Fi. For Wi-Fi, you have to simply go to the Wi-Fi settings, and here you have to simply go to the your Wi-Fi setting, and here you have to make sure that you have simply set the IP address, and also you have set the DNS to automatic, and also if you want to change the DNS, you can also set for it. Moreover, if you have a faster proxy, then you can also use that proxy. Moreover, you can simply turn on this toggle on, as you can see here is written the limit IP address tracking. Then you have to make sure that you have turned these settings on. Moreover, what you have to do next is you have to simply go for the background app refresh. For example, if you need faster internet, then you have to simply make sure that you have turned off the background app refresh. For this, you have to simply select off, and if you want to use the faster internet, because your background app refresh uses your more data, and that's why your internet speeds get slower, so you have to make sure about that. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check for your software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest software, and also you have to make sure that you have turned off the automatic updates. Which means if you turn on the automatic update, then it will automatically update your iPhone when it requires. So it also uses your data and speeds of your internet. So you can simply check for these settings which can work for your faster internet. Now, if you want to use the better calls, then you have to make sure that you have selected the better network. You can simply select one of the best networks, and also you can simply reset your network problem, and after that you can simply restart your iPhone, and after that you can also turn on the airplane mode so that your internet and data stream connections are refreshed. So in this way you can simply change the settings for faster internet and better calls. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.